both look at each other waiting for something to happen. I don't see.
Thank you for riding this Elizabeth Line train today. We hope you enjoyed it and we wish you a wonderful time here at the Grace's Gallery. If you would like to see how software on this train is tested, please visit the Train Zero test lab and see inside the train. This is a Class 345 Derby-built Alstom adventure train operated on the Elizabeth Line. These modern electric trains are run by Transport for London and help hundreds of thousands of people travel across Greater London every day. The train is owned by 345 Rail Leasing Limited, a group comprising Equitis, SMBC Leasing and Angel Trains.
I think you're going to say the Sierra Railway.
No, it's the Aeroly, it's just related to
I think that'll be everywhere.
That's like, because I've seen Export Valley Rail.
Want to go see the film in Scotland?
Yeah, we did. We missed the building now. Are they? No, like Maggie Rose, we can go round some other ships. Well, we could go look at the DM, yeah.
I want to put everything in a smaller black flag.
Yeah, because we've got an hour. That only took about 10 minutes. I thought it was going to take longer.